Physical hospital beds may not be the immediate issue at this time. However, the ability to provide health services to other patients now becoming a concern. We sat down with a cardiologist earlier this afternoon. He tells us some of his patients run the risk of having to wait in line since many health services are now tied up with COVID-19 patients.
The continued increase in the hospital admissions and ICU admissions, and those as well have increased tremendously.
City and County Health Authority Dr. Hector Ocaranza noting the number of patients being hospitalized continues to increase shortly after saying the virus was spreading like wildfire. Dr. Juan Taveras, an area cardiologist, tells us he's finding it difficult to treat his patients as resources are shifting.
It creates a backlog of patients. Not only is a matter of a physical bed. The physical beds may be around, but where are the specialized nurses that we need to take care of these patients?
Taveras understands why hospitals like Del Sol are diverting patients to other facilities. However, when it comes time to move a patient to another side of town, there's several factors to consider.
It's not just a matter of transportation itself, is how stable is that patient to be able to transfer. Some hospitals are very well versed on doing trauma, for example. Some other hospitals are very good on doing cardiac issues, but it's not the same thing one hospital to the other. Some other hospitals do not have surgical services for cardiac patients.
Taveras fears that if this uptick in cases continues, the way you receive care may be changing drastically.
It's not the same thing a nurse from the regular floor taking care of your ventilated patient. Those are special nurses. So once we get to the point that we don't have the nurses, we don't have the resources to take care of it, the mortality is going to increase, and it's going to increase significantly.
The way you help out these doctors is by keeping yourself out of the hospital. The way you do that is by social distancing and wearing your mask. JC Navarrete, ABC 7.